Welcome to our brand new product, TBC Skins. Applied like paint. Maintained like paint. Peelable like vinyl wrap. All with the protection properties of PPF. The future of paintwork protection. Hello guys, it is Sam and Jake behind the camera from the Body Centre here. And as you can see behind me, we have a brand new Audi Q8 Black Edition. We are doing a monster project on this Audi. It is owned by a professional footballer and it has come in from our local dealership. We are going to be taking every single panel and accessory off this vehicle. It is, like I said, literally brand new. I don't even think it's done 50 miles. Let's move on to the wheels first, Jake. The wheels, we're going to be removing the wheels. They are going to be going a full gloss black. As you can see now, they do have the diamond cut finish on here. So the wheels off the car, tyres off the vehicle, valves, weights, all off the vehicle, all off the wheel. Full gloss black, so we're losing all the diamond cut finish. When we then piece these back together, we will be putting the black wheel weights on there as well. Audi UK. Found a glitch, not happy with that. Let's zoom in, let's show them, sort that out. So, you're all gonna be asking, why are you completely stripping this brand new vehicle? I'm not gonna tell you. The complete vehicle is being color changed to Nardo grey. And what way are we gonna be doing it? No, we're not wrapping it. No, we're not repainting it. TBC Skin. You know the score. Bang in the middle. Wrap, paint, TBC Skins in the middle. 100% peelable. You can have it any colour you wish under the sun. So like I said, this is going Nardo grey. You can't get actual Nardo grey in a vinyl wrap. So, TBC Skin it is. We will be doing all of the door shuts as well. So we're going to have obviously all the hinges off, all the trims on the inside, all the rubbers. Quarter glasses are also going to be removed as well to give it that 100% high quality finish. Roof bars coming out as well, so all the roof line on the inside. Nelly is going to have a monster project on his hands stripping this one apart. Badges, we're going to be removing the Q8 chrome badges, keeping the chrome rings, removing obviously these ones as well. Do you know what, the only thing that I've now thought of which we're not doing, which I may have to have a chat with the customer, we're not doing the calipers on it.
What are they?
Well, they're just the normal sort of grey at the minute. They really want to be going a colour, don't they? Maybe we need to do some upselling on that, Jake.
Me.
So, first stage is before it goes into the workshop. With TBC Skin, same as any procedure to be fair, if we were painting it, wrapping it, we need to give the car a full decontamination snow foam wash first. That's going to be obviously removing all the dirt. Once that's done, we'll then give it a full clay towel all over to remove any contaminants off the vehicle, because when we apply the product, it needs to be going on to super clean paintwork. We don't want obviously no dirt ingress when the product's applied. We don't want no reactions either when the product is applied. I'm really excited to get this one in the workshop and stripping it down. So I think without further ado, let's go get this decontaminated. Does that mean play?
What?
Does that mean play? Just push that door so I don't bang in the video. Is that playing?
Who?
Is it playing?
It's what playing? It's recording, it's not playing.
Okay, there's a new rule, okay, and it's starting as of today. I'm not gonna speak until you say, go.
Oh, you've lost it.
That's the new thing, okay? I am not gonna say anything until you say go.
Go!
Hello everyone, we are now come to the end of the video. So thank you for making it this far. If you're now watching this, we really, really appreciate it. And we hope you have much more of an understanding of what happens behind the scenes during a full color change on our newest service, TBC Skins. Now, as you're seeing throughout the video, it is an absolutely massive, massive job. This car was literally brand new from the main dealer, and we have taken every single part off this vehicle. It's gone from, I can't remember the actual colour name when it was black, but obviously it's gone from a black to a Nardo grey. Now you can't spec this colour on this spec of vehicle. So TBC Skins was the way forward. We were going to go down the vinyl wrap route, but as any wrappers out there knows, vinyl wrap has quite a strong peel to it. So we didn't want to have that peely effect on a brand new car. We didn't want to repaint the vehicle in the traditional permanent paint because the vehicle's probably not going to stay with its owner for very long, as he is a footballer. And everyone knows footballers change their cars a lot. So that left one option in the middle, which was going to be the TBC Skins. The finish is exactly like paint. You treat it exactly like paint, and it can be peeled off like vinyl wrap. So this was the perfect scenario for this job. Again, I hope you have much more an understanding of what happens throughout this process. We really hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, please get in the comments below, or drop us an email, or give us a call. Give it contact. You can chop this, can't you? Anyway, I've fully lost my words there.
Just give us a call.
Just give us a call. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, like, comment. What?
Wheels. Didn't actually get any footage of the wheel, but they went from a
Diamond cut turned
wheel to a full gloss black.
They did. Well done, Jake. And we didn't do the calipers, did we? That's one thing that I did mention at the end to the customer.
Did you upsell?
No, I didn't. No, but I will. I will. We'll get in touch with Jordan and we'll definitely get him in. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you next time. We'll be here all day if you don't cut it now, Jake. Let's go. Thank you guys.